Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, another zone of special operations, ZOSO, has been declared, this time in sections of South Savannah-Lamar in Westmoreland. Now, the government says establishing the zone was necessary in a bid to curtail the rising crime in the areas. Our reporter Javon Keys attended the virtual press briefing where the declaration was made this morning.
Days after National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang indicated that a zone of special operations ZOSO could soon be established in Westmoreland, Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the declaration Sunday morning.
This morning, we declare a zone of special operations in South South to include the communities of Russia, Darling Street, and Dexter Street.
The zone will be in place for a period of 60 days. This is the second ZOSO declared since the start of 2022 and the seventh since the start of the measure in 2017. Westmoreland has been under the crime microscope for some time. However, Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson says the significant increase in violent acts last year prompted the need for more intervention.
For 2021, Westmoreland accounted for 128 murders, an increase of 60% when compared to the corresponding period of 2020, which is the fourth highest number of murders recorded among all police divisions. These were mainly due to violent gang conflicts and the murderous propensity to resolve differences or solve issues with extreme violence and with the use of illegal firearms. This year has started off in a similar way in the parish, and so we are responding accordingly.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the security forces have been beefing up resources in Westmoreland.
Curfews, cordon and search, additional officers to the geographic division, and specialized units to apprehend perpetrators have been sent to Westmoreland. There have been some success, but more will be done.
Meanwhile, Major General Anthony Anderson says the zone of special operations ZOSO declared last Sunday for Parade Gardens in Kingston has so far yielded some progress.
18 of the 20 persons of interest we were seeking have been interviewed, and 2 remain in custody. We are also seeing signs of former rivals willing to come to speak to each other when facilitated by us.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.